Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on a makeup tutorial. I will be doing a orange eyeshadow look. I've been dying to dab into some orange eyeshadow. I just want to incorporate a lot of colors. I've been wanting to do one look of one shadow, go into orange tones, then blue, yellow, just incorporate all those different types of colors and then match it and all that. I don't know, I'm just in a feel for colorful looks, or just one solid color, just changing things up, I guess. I don't know, but just doing what I feel. So right now I just want to do orange tones. Let's do this. This is light ivory, but this has an orange undertone to it. So of course I'm using this concealer to just have one base to prime and to conceal, so it can look one color, because I do have a lot of veins. To set my lids, I'm going to use a 35B palette for Morphe, and I'll be dipping into this shadow right here. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush. I feel like when it's spring and summer, 35B palette for Morphe is the best thing because it has just so many shades, and it has shimmers, and mattes, so it's the best thing. It's so beautiful. Since I'm doing an orange look, I will be dipping in to these two shadows right here. And the first one I'm going to use is this one. I will still be using this brush, and I'm going to use the lighter shade of orange that I showed you. And I'm applying this in my crease, not being precise at all. I'm not raising my brows as of yet. And I'm going to my outer corner and to my inner corner. Now I'm raising my brows to get up in the crease. This is just my transition shade for my crease. I always like doing something lighter in my crease just to build up the color. I'll be going back into the palette, and I'm going to use the darker orange right here. I'll be using this brush right here from Royal & SammieCNicole, the BMX 430 crease brush. Going to dip into that nice bright orange. This will be going into my crease, but not a little bit below. I'm not going to apply it all over like I did with the transition shade. And I am raising my brows just a little bit to get into my crease. I'm going to apply this shadow in the outer corner. And now I'm going to apply it in the inner corner as well. With this Dana Lace EB13 brush, I'm going to dip into the orange shadow still, using that one. Tap off and just go over it where I've been applying that. With this same brush, I'm going to dip into the lighter orange, and I'm just going to buff out the inner corner. Now with a brush that has no product on it, I'm just going to buff it out again so it can look seamless. Going back in with this Wet n Wild brush, dipping into the lighter orange, and I'm just going to blend out the edges again. I'll be dipping into this new palette that I have. Well, it's new to you guys, but it's not new to me. I had this palette ever since I purchased the Cardi Bible palette, the deluxe edition. That was in May of 2017. And I never ever used this palette. The palette is from BH Cosmetics. Okay, it's this palette right here. It's 18 color baked eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. How beautiful is this? Okay, guys. Since it's an orange look, I'm going to dip into this orange shadow. This shadow is called Venus. Since it's a galaxy, everything has galaxy name. I'm going to be applying Venus onto the middle of my lid. I want to dip in just a little dip, into the Dream Street by Kathleen Lights and Colourpop. I want to apply Kaleidoscope right on top just a little bit. I'm tapping my finger with Kaleidoscope. I'm just mixing these two shades together. Just blend out the corners of this. I don't want it to look harsh. I just finished my face. Now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do for my bronzer, highlight, blush, and I'm gonna finish my lower lash line, all that. Okay, so let's get right into this. For highlight, I want to first use the City Color Glow Duo. I will be using the cream side. That's my favorite side. I'm gonna dip into that, of course, with my finger. And with this, I apply it mostly all over, like where the light will shine on my face. Since I love a dewy look, I have to do this. I'm gonna use another highlight, and I'll be using the Ofra Rhodea Drive highlighter. The brush I'm gonna use is from Wet n Wild, this brush right here. I'm using my finger to highlight my cupid's bow. Just apply some bronzer, and I'll be using the SammieCNicole BMX 130. I'll be using the Pure Mineral Glow Bronzing Powder. I'm just gonna tap that all around, all in there. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go into the Real Her Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit. I'm going to dip into Unstoppable, and I'm just doing a light hand. I'm going to go back into the bronzer, and I'm going to use this another SammieCNicole brush, the BMX 90, and I'll be doing a slight nose contour. I'm going to dip into the Wet n Wild Mega Contour Palette, so right here. I'm gonna take, where is it? This brush again, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges. This looks too sharp for me right now, and I wanted it to look a little bit more diffused. I want to go back in, no, I not want, I'm going to go back in to the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to use Moody for my highlight for the inner corner and brow bone. I'm going to use this Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection, and I want to dip into this shadow right here for my inner corner to put right on top of Mooney. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use the Morphe palette again, and I'm going to go into the lighter shade of yellow, the lighter shade of orange. Now I'm going to dip into the darker orange. I'm going to use the Colourpop Crème Liner in Puppy. No, Puppy, right? Yeah, Puppy. I did my lashes, and I used the new mascara I received from Box Charm, the Butter London Double Decker Lashes. My lips are going to be simple. I'm just going to apply the IBY Beauty Rosebud Lip Liner, and then I'm going to use lip gloss. So this is the finished look, and I must say, I am loving it. It's simple but bold in a bright, bold way. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed it, because if you did, please just give my video a thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I highly appreciate it. Any questions, comments, just comment below. I will answer it back. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. To set my lids, what? Oh my god, I must bust my hands. I look like a hot mess right now.